S+T+ARTS è un grande progetto della Commissione europea al quale stiamo partecipando insieme a molte altre istituzioni culturali e artistiche europee sul tema dell'arte, tecnologia e scienza e come gli artisti affrontano questa questione dalla loro prospettiva.
So the starting point for the exhibition triptych Repairing the Present, REWORLD, REWILD, RETOOL is not only to look at the urgencies that have triggered our necessity to repair things today. There is also our sense of presentness itself that needs to be repaired. It is not just about the future. There is a current inflation of the idea of future that has left the present alone. Repairing the Present addresses these two drives: how to fix, how to assume a hands-on responsibility on the real, and also how to repair our sense of presentness, which is also our sense of togetherness.
So my work in this exhibition is called One and the Care of Many, and I'm interested in the idea of lichen as lichen is a combination of a fungus and an algae, and they live together in this interspecies collaboration, and I'm interested in that as a starting point for humans to learn how to live better with nature. So this idea of interspecies care and this wonderment of what it is for these two species to live together in a collaborative and supportive methodology.
I think our fault is we was too much trusted the machine and not enough trusted nature. And today, repairing the present is to trust nature and to learn from nature and to use not only artificial intelligence, but especially intelligence coming from nature.
My project is called TX2 Moonshadow, and it's an experiment in speculative yet plausible satellite construction. It imagines sending lichen to Mars, and it's really drawing from feminist and queer science fiction and speculative fiction. And for me, this is one of the ways in which I think we need to repair the present. We need to sort of be looking at different approaches to going to outer space, to engaging with other species, non-human species, and so forth.
REWILD, particularly at Maxi, takes the idea of restoring feral dynamics, but also injecting them in areas that have never been feral, that have been always sort of instrumental or cultural. Restoring feral dynamics means decolonizing reality, and this goes from microbiology to outer space. That's what you see in the exhibition. A number of collaborations between species that are intrinsically decolonial, that search for feral dynamics between them and us, between all of us.